Son. 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 Richard. 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 Dick.
What?
Son, it's Valentine's Day, and I noticed how lonely you were. Maybe it's time I told you about the birds and the bees. But in this case, since you're gay, the bees and the bees.
Dad, for the last time, I'm not gay.
Boy, you're in denial, but it's okay. I'm being a supportive father.
Dad, look at me. I'm not gay.
Right. Anyhow, the bees have these little stingers that sting people with, but when two bees get together, they use this stinger.
Dad, you don't know anything about me.
Well, I didn't want to raise a gay son.
You never loved me, Dad.
This is all your fault.
Dear Santa, my dad thinks I'm gay, and I'm lonely. Will you help me?
It's February. What are you asking me for?
Good point. God, I gotta find myself a girl. I'm going to a club. My love for you is like diarrhea. I just can't hold it in. Now, I'm lonely no more.